Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Stephen Dunn with CORE Therapy and Pilates. We had a huge weekend, and over the weekend we were able to rearrange the space. As we took over some more space in the back. So I just want to do a quick little tour of the studio before we get started today. So as you walk in the studio, the Gyrotonic studio looks fairly similar. We still have the Gyrotonic towers along the wall where they were, but this is what's going to be different is the space where all the Pilates equipment has now been moved to the back. So we now have we had this space about 5 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, and this is what we've been doing all weekend, is getting this place ready in the back. So we've got our 4 reformers in the back. Oh, I need to come back here. I'm losing my connection. I don't get internet over here. That's good to know. So here's the new space. So if you are taking a reformer class, you will be in the back space today. We do have our mirror down over there in the back corner. We'll get that installed this week. So no stepping on the mirror. But that's our new space. We're pretty excited about it, and if you have any questions or comments, put them below, but we'll have some new classes coming your way for the start of the school year. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. We'll see y'all soon.